Nah. That's such a good tree right there in the middle. Oh, got him. Right here, right here. Oh, what is that? That's a bowfin? That's a bass.
Heck yeah.
Right at the boat, man.
That's a stud right there, brother. Nice. Dude,
look at that, guys. Going early morning, man. On the loud buzz bait. He went crazy like a jackfish, man.
Dude, he actually smoked it too.
All right, guys, first victim of the day. Got him super early. Big shouts out to Kim for hooking me up with that crazy buzz bait. But we're gonna try to get a couple more and see what we can make happen. We back. So, guys, me and Swatty go after these fish again on the Altamaha River. First time, they kicked our butt, guys. All we caught was bowfin and 3 super small bass. But this time, we got our revenge, guys. We caught over 30 bass. We also caught some bowfin, caught some shell crackers, and also caught some pickerels. But, guys, this was a bass beat down. So, without talking any further, let's hop straight into this video and let's see what we can make happen. Oh, crank them. Yeah, it's a solid fish, man. Old black water. Oh, that's a solid fish, man. Got him. Oh, yes. My man.
Boy, we got it.
Look at that. It's another 3-pounder, man.
We got it going today. Look at that sucker right there.
Nice one, bro.
We got him today. Yes.
Oh, shoot. 3-8. That's 2 for 6 for real. My man.
Right there.
3-8 right there, man. We're in there.
We're getting it done.
Oh, yeah. Oh, something was right there. Oh, got him.
Oh, shoot.
It's a good one, too. Yeah.
Right where you put your pin. Stay right there.
Keep that tension on. Yeah, keep the pin on there.
Good save.
Oh, yeah.
Push myself off.
Yeah. Oh, river bass.
All right.
Number 3, fat one.
He probably close to 2.
I agree.
1-6.
1-6, solid one.
He came back for it.
That fluke, man. He is doing work. There you go. I think he 12. Hey, y'all don't kill me, but we gotta do a quick commercial break. First off, guys, we got these major hammer hats and largemouth print because we catching largemouth. Next, we got shoal bass prints, and if you're from Georgia, you know what these are. They're epic fish. Also, we got a restock on the black major hammer hats. Not this one, but the black one. Let's get back to fishing, man. Let's go. Be sure to subscribe.
I've gone in this way before. Me and Kevin Nelson came in.
Might be able to make it now. I'm gonna pull back here. Oh yeah. I can actually push out this limb back here. We made it to the money.
You gotta do what other people don't want to do. That's how you get in.
Ooh, it's about to go down.
Other people, you can't get in there.
We'll find a way.
Yep.
You're right, it is.
We about to show you. We about to show you something.
It's about to go down.
Go get your darn popcorn ready.
Popcorn and a beer for y'all. Yep. Got him? I knew it'd be some of that current, man. Yes, sir. Boat flip him. It just made sense, man. Another one. That's pretty solid.
Look at that camera.
Pretty good start. Uh-oh. Got him. They're stacked up over here, man. That's cool. Oh yeah, definitely.
Yep.
Oh, he's bigger. That was a quick ride for that fish. So far, guys, we have wrecked them. We've been on the fish. It has been all about the flukes today, but we're about to do some wave fishing, taking out the Ultra Boost, and we're gonna get in this water. Swatties, tell them about them, man.
Man, we killing them. It's crazy.
Yeah, so we're about to try to get like a 5 or 6 pounder, a good sized fish, and see what we can make happen. Let's go. We have to pull that boat.
You can, I'll pull it for a little bit if you want to take a few pulls in a minute. You can.
I got you. There we go.
There you go. How about that? Man, the current's pretty good.
Help a hand, man.
That's right. We could probably take it through there.
And park it.
See this big hole up here?
Mm-hmm.
You get in the boat there.
Oh, is that around your leg, Swatty?
About to catch the swatty.
Swatty fish. Try to be quiet.
I hadn't thrown the fluke on this hole. He's probably about to double it.
Oh, got him? Look at that, man. That's a better one. Man, Swatty ain't playing, man.
I'm not even gonna weigh him. I think bigger than 1/4.
Another one.
That's safe, number 13.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna put them behind us, that way they won't get it good.
He came right back to the hole. Ooh, bigger fish. Double up, man. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Double up.
Look at this one.
Ah, you got the big one.
He's gonna kill something.
Double up, guys. Look at that. That one's calling. Mine, not so much, but I'll take it.
We were at what? 13? That's 15,
Yeah,
15.
15.
One of these coals.
Another one.
Good?
About a pounder. They are stacked up, man. All right, guys, got another one, man. That white fluke with the chartreuse tail is killing them. Doing a dance for us. That's him. Another one. Another bass. Another pounder. Yeah.
What, 17?
17.
The way he...
God, dog. Oh, another jake. You saw it? Yeah. Man, them things fight hard, man.
We caught 3 bass last time. We caught 20.
That's true. Oh. Another J. Out in the jack hole, man.
Number 2.
Yeah, such a funny looking little fish. Yeah. The guard about to come towards you.
24.
Huh? 24.
24 right here.
Hey.
24 hours a day.
Whoa. Look at that both end. Oh, it's 2 of them. Sheesh. Oh, don't go between my legs. Yeah. Keep them coming. There you go.
As good as I thought.
He was reeling for days.
Yeah, I thought it was cool or not. Nah, I doubt it.
It'll be close.
Good fish, and it's like,
Maybe next time.
That's all up here. That's
It is.
30, by the way.
Number 30, the big 3-0. Mazel tov. That's him. Huh? Nah.
Got one on?
That's a warmouth. I laid it 2 on 2, man. Dude, it's fat.
Huge jack, 30 bass, and a warmouth.
And a warmouth.
Terrible day.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Look at that, guys. Old warmouth. I ain't got a ton of confidence in it, but hey, that's the only way you get good at it.
True.
My buddy does pretty good on the river down in Florida with these. Like it's the Magnum side. Oh, shoot. Quick, pickerel.
Oh, wow.
Put him again. Big one. Jeez, a big warmouth, man. Got him. That looks like a bass. That was a giant warmouth. Yeah. They will, man. That is a massive one right there. All right, guys, that is a massive one right there. And he ate a fluke. They got such attitude, man. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Down below, tell me if you're liking these river videos. I love fishing the river. You never know what you're gonna catch, and also you have to work for these fish, and they fight so hard. Now, guys, I want to break down a couple things on what we did on the river to help us actually catch some of these fish. First off, guys, the river was super low. So if you found an area that has some current and also like a bend, you were in the right spot. Those fish will sit in that current and wait for fresh water to come down. And also usually in a bend, it's gonna be deeper water. So current and a bend equals a great spot for fish to sit at. So guys, we targeted those areas. Also guys, whenever you have that hot water a lot of times in the summer and it's low, the fluke is a great bait. So we're throwing the white fluke with a chartreuse color dye put on it. That was the money, guys, and that had us in the fish all day long. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the Major Hammer stuff on the website. Take care, and we'll see you guys on a video soon.